I'm Casey from SoCal Moms, and I'm here today with my big kid, and we're going to share with you why we love Osmo so much. We discovered Osmo a few years ago, probably when he was maybe around 5, and we were looking for healthy screen time options, things he could do with his iPad. Coding is a language, and we know it's an important skill for our kids today. And in this historical moment in time when we're actually architecting our kids' education in a way we really never have before, I'm excited to build in things like coding to his daily experience. We have asked a few of our friends to join us and share what they and their kids are loving about Osmo right now.
Over, up, over. Yay!
Good job! That's so cool.
I love that my daughter is learning the pivotal skill of STEAM coding using play, creativity, imagination, and fun in a tactile and interactive way.
Good job, Bubba. Okay, press it. There's your you! Good job. Okay, what are you doing?
I'm spelling words.
You're spelling words?
Mommy?
Lizard.
Lizard!
Callaway and I love Osmo. We love how it keeps your brain working during these crazy times with hands-on, really fun learning experiences. Right now she is playing and very focused.
Cool! I just got a pie bowl.
She's very focused and very excited about coding with Obby. And I just love that it's so fun and keeps her mind working.
We made it! Down a 3. Yeah! We did it! They're turning colors!
They're turning colors?
It's a really easy product to use. Once you get it set up, all you do, which he's going to show you, is you have a base that Osmo sends you with your kit. You put your iPad in the kit. You attach it easily with this little red magnifier, which is how the system's going to interact with your iPad. And then you take out the pieces of the kit, which come very nicely organized in these little containers that are labeled. So we have all of our containers stacked up in our playroom, and he can choose what he wants. As a busy mom, I like it because it is very sort of self-service for him. He can choose what he wants to do. He takes it out, and with not a lot of help, he can get himself really started and enjoy the game.